In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a graph in Tableau in just 5 minutes. First things first, we need to get Tableau up and running. If you already have the Tableau desktop app installed on your computer, go ahead and open it. If you don't, then simply search for Tableau in your preferred browser and go through the usual download and installation process. Once you have it open, you'll need to log in with your Tableau account. If you don't have an account yet, no worries. You can create one on the spot. Just remember to have your email handy. Now that you're logged in, go ahead and open up your Tableau workbook. This is where all the magic will happen. Next, let's establish a connection with your data. Tableau makes this really easy. Whether your data is sitting in an Excel file, a database, or housed in another type of data source, getting connected is a straightforward process. Once that's done, it's time to dive into your worksheet. You'll want to make sure you start with a fresh one. It's like having a blank canvas, ready for your data-driven masterpiece. In the Data pane on your screen, you'll see various fields classified as dimensions and measures. Dimensions are those categorical bits of information like region or category, while measures are your numerical data like sales or profit. Choosing wisely between these two will set the stage for your graph. Next, drag your chosen dimension or dimensions onto the column's shelf. Think of this as setting up your horizontal axis. Similarly, take your measure or measures and drag them to the rows shelf. This will configure your vertical axis. Now, let's say you're unsure about which type of graph to create. Here's where Tableau does some of its best work. Up in the top right corner of your screen, you'll find the Show Me feature. Give that a click, and presto. It presents you with a variety of graph options. These are all tailored to suit the data that you've selected, making it much easier for you to decide on the perfect graph type. Finally, it's time to bring this graph to life. Head over to the Marks card. This is your toolbox for adding the bells and whistles. Here, you can adjust chart appearance and add labels or colors, all while keeping the data easy to read. Once you've added your personal touches, you'll have a beautifully crafted graph that tells a meaningful story with your data. And there you have it, a complete graph in Tableau in no time. I hope you found this tutorial both informative and helpful. Happy graphing!